up guys? Dan here and welcome to Monkey Place. So guys, in today's video, I have a little surprise for you guys na nanonood ngayon. So, November is a very special month for me dahil unang-una sa lahat, it's my birth month. In the same time, the birth month of Monkey Place PH. So, 3 taon na si Monkey Place. So, may maliit na akong bata, parang gano'n ang dating. So, marami na tayong nagawa sa channel na to. Like, we do some unboxing, nakapunta na tayo sa mga ibang mga conference or cons. Naka-receive na tayo ng mga blessings from other publisher and so many more. So dahil dyan, I want to share this blessing with you guys. So I'm going to give away 2 games, that is just 1 PH and points salad. So how to join this giveaway? First, like, share, and subscribe to our channel and make sure na naka-public yung pag-share nyo ng video na to. Yes, ng video na to. And dapat naka-post siya, it's either on your Facebook or your Instagram. Pero dapat naka-public. Second, please tag your 3 friends dun sa post na gagawin ko sa page ni Monkey Place. So, after ng video na to, ipopost ko siya sa Monkey Place PH page and then you can tag your friends doon. And lastly, please follow us on our social media accounts and I will put the link on the description box. And that's it. So, the announcement for this giveaway is on December 15, 2023 and make sure na naka-follow kayo sa aming mga social media accounts kasi doon ko i-announce yung winner for this giveaway. So guys, this is the end of this video. See you, and it's a wrap.